So hello everyone, this is Shipra. Welcome to the Superior. Today we are going to start this thermodynamics as we have started earlier, but we are going to continue with the work pressure. Okay, so here we will be starting with a piston example. Okay, this is a container. Okay, and suppose you have fitted a piston over here. See, my drawing is not good, so don't focus on drawing, but I will try. I will try to make best, okay? Because see, this is a story of mine. When I was small, even when I was in class 11th and 12th, then also, but when I was drawing a diagram of biology or of chemistry में ज़्यादा diagram तो थे नहीं, but ऐसे sketches बनाने पड़ते थे, ठीक है? और लेकिन biology में, the teacher was asking, come here, what do you have made this? I was telling each and everything. This is lung, this is liver, this is kidney, and all. Then she was understanding. Oh God, this is this. Wow. Okay, so that was the condition. Please don't focus on this diagram. Okay, so this is a piston. The pressure inside the piston is suppose P internal. P internal. Okay, pressure outside this will be P external. Pressure outside will be the P external. Okay, now what we are going to do? चलो मान लेते हैं कि बाहर का P external pressure outside external pressure is more. External pressure is more and internal pressure is low, and we know from high to low there is flow from high to low. This funda remember it. कोई भी फ्लो होता है यहाँ पर आपका प्रेशर का फ्लो हो, वाटर का फ्लो हो, चाहे किसी भी चीज का फ्लो हो, नेचर ऑलवेज फेवर्स फ्रॉम हाई टू लो. अगर प्रेशर एक्सटर्नल अगर हाई है, if external pressure is high and if internal pressure is low, from where to where it will flow? From high pressure to low pressure. ठीक है, अब जब इसमें प्रेशर पड़ेगा, suppose this pressure is acting on it, if this pressure is acting on it, there will be displacement in this piston. piston में क्या होगा? Displacement होगा. आप देखते हैं piston में अगर displacement होगा तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये यहाँ से displace कर जाएगा और ये यहाँ पे ऐसे ऐसे आ जाएगा. Okay? This has come over here. Displacement हुआ piston का. पहले यहाँ पे था. पहले पोजीशन P1 था. ठीक है? अब यहाँ पे इसका प्रेशर क्या हो गया? P2 हो गया. ये पहले वॉल्यूम कितना था? पहले वॉल्यूम V1 था और वॉल्यूम क्या हो गया? V2 हो गया. इतनी बात समझ में आई? फिर से रिपीट करते हैं. प्रेशर जो था, एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर जो था वो हाई था, इंटरनल प्रेशर जो था वो लो था. अब हाई टू लो ऑलवेज नेचर फेवर्स. ठीक है, सो हमेशा हाई टू लो फ्लो होता है. So pressure external is high, pressure inside is low, then there is flow from high pressure to low pressure. So this pressure is acting on this piston, on this white teda piston. Okay, well, on this piston it is acting. Now due to the action of the pressure on this piston is going to displace and it is coming down. Towards downside it is coming and over here this side it has come. And understood this concept? Okay. Now earlier V means volume. Volume was this one, this much. मतलब V1 was greater और now volume is this much. यानी V2 क्या है? Volume 2 क्या हुआ? घट गया, कम हो गया. So V2 यानी जो V1 है वो ज़्यादा था पहले, अब V2 कम हो गया क्योंकि पहले वॉल्यूम इतना था, वॉल्यूम इतना हो गया. This concept understood? ठीक है. अब एक बात बताओ, यहाँ पे कंप्रेशन हुआ है या फिर एक्सपेंशन हुआ है? कंप्रेशन हुआ है या फिर एक्सप्रेशन हुआ है? Okay. Piston was here moving this side. Compress. Pressure की वजह से compress हुआ है. So क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे? Compression is there. Which process is there? Compression. Compression is taking place over here. Okay. External pressure is high. Internal pressure is low. There is shift from high pressure to low pressure. This pressure is acting on this piston. As a result, this piston gets shifted towards downside. If it is shifted towards downside, the volume decreases. Earlier volume was V1. Second volume is V2. Okay, V1 is greater than V2. Okay. Now there is a compression take place. Compression, if compression has taken place, then only volume has decreased.